Hello everybody, welcome back to the Crazy Channel. This is Chilly Willy here. I'm in Back Swamp, North Carolina for their annual fall cruise in and festival, craft fair, a little bit of everything. This is where the muscle cars live, is right here. We're gonna walk around, show you what showed up here. If you like muscle cars, this is a good video, so here it is. We got my wife's dad's old car. He sold it. Another guy ended up with it. Still kind of in the family, so we say. Nice little vet. I think my wife was offered that car one time and decided it weren't good for starting a family. And so kind of agree, but it's still a very sweet car. Love seeing it. Okay, everybody, that was a cool, man. There's some beautiful muscle cars out here. My favorite, of course, would be the Carroll Shelby signed, autographed GT350. One of my favorites. They're all good cars. Seeing my wife's dad's old car. Some beautiful, just beautiful stuff. It was good talking to everybody. That's what it's all about, is getting out here and talking with some people I don't see a whole lot. So I appreciate everybody who watches the channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Peace.